Hey there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to get UI 7 icons on any Samsung without Android 15. So prepare your phone by making sure your Samsung phone is updated with the latest One UI version available, and of course, have a stable internet connection, maybe Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next up, install a custom launcher to mimic the One UI 7 icon style. You need a launcher that supports icon packs. So open Google Play Store and search and install one of the following launchers. So let's try this one out. So let's do this one. I'm going to go for Google Play Store right there. Now let's just check or let's just see how it looks like on your phone. Let me just search here, Nova Launcher. I think Nova Launcher is going to be one of the best launchers out there. So in here, I'm going to go for Nova Launcher. It should be looking like this one. And these are going to be how they look like inside your phone on what to expect if you install this one. So that's one way. Next up, download the One UI style icon pack. So go to Google Play Store. Now this is another pack or another way on doing this. So I'm just typing this one right there. And there are a lot, like really a lot of things here. So choose one of each, and some of them has payment. This one right here is actually free, and this is how it should look like. Really awesome, right? Next one right there, apply the icon pack by going on your settings and choose the launcher settings. Look for look and feel or appearances settings. Tap icon style or the icon pack and select One UI 7 icon pack you've downloaded. Now, for example, on Nova Launcher, long press on the home screen, settings, look and feel, icon style, icon theme, and choose your pack. Now, customize your layout, of course. This is depending on your preference, but these are the best preference on my end. Just want to share it to you guys. So set the grid size to 4x5 or 5x5. Enable and disable app labels as you prefer. Set the app drawer style to vertical scrolling to mimic One UI behavior. Add your round corners on the background blur if supported by the launcher. This is actually a very aesthetic look. Now lock your layout. So go to your launcher settings, enable lock home screen layout, and basically enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.